Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to test your 555 timer IC if it is still working. So here is the 555 timer IC with 8 pin here, 8 legs, 4 by 4 side by side. So I'm going to test this one if it's still working. So I made a circuit something like this with a few resistors and 2 LEDs with 1 capacitor. So I'm going to insert this IC here. Here's a 555 timer IC. So here I'm gonna plug this IC here to check if it's still working. Sorry. So here I have plugged it in here and with an old Samsung battery 3.7 volt, so it's good enough to lighten up this. So I'm gonna plug here. See what's the result. Wait. Okay, so let's try this. So here's the 3.7 volt, but you can use 9 volt. So here, I'm gonna try this one. Plug it in. Oh, as you can see here, it's working. So this IC is still working fine right now. So let's try this dark place here. As you can see, it's working. So this IC is still working. So it's a good 555 timer IC. So here, so as you can see that red and green. So here, simple circuit to test your 555 timer IC. So yeah, it's a blinking LED. So you can see that. So here, if I remove this one, no light. So if I plug it in here, it's lighting up again. So, oh sorry. So here, this IC is still working. I'll remove this one. So here, so as you can see that small. So here's the IC. So it's working again. IC here, LED capacitor, and resistor, and here's the wiring here. I have used a glue gun, so here. So you see that? Yeah.
Arestado ang suspect na si Andre Clarino, nawali sa kasong carnapping at hold of robbery sa Metro Manila at Bulacan. Itinanggi ng
Here
suspect na may
guys,
kinalaman siya
so
sa carnapping.
thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe if you want. So thank you.